What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Seamless token on Coinbase. For the first step, you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can simply sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step, we will need to log into our account and then you will arrive at this home page. And once you have done that, we will go to the search bar and type in Seam. And that is the Seamless coin, the Seamless token. Click on it. Now you will arrive at the token page. And as you can see, the coin is at the moment going downwards. So I don't buy this for now, but I will show you guys how to buy this coin. You can decide how much euros or dollars you want to spend and type it in the field over here. And now you can see if we spend 1000 euros, we will get 2489 coins of the Seamless token. For the next step, you will need to select your payment method. I will leave it on the credit card payment method, but if you would like to use another payment method, just click on it and add it to the list. After that, we can click on review order and we'll review the order. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money if you trade on a daily basis on Coinbase. So if you make a trade on Coinbase, you will pay the transaction fee over here. And that is for this order 38 euros. So that is a lot of money. And if you would like to save this amount, you can simply use the Coinbase One subscription. You can use it for free for 7 days. So definitely try that out. And once you have activated that, you don't pay the transaction fee for every trade you make. So yeah, you can calculate that yourself. But if you make 10 trades, you already have saved almost 400 euros or dollars. And you can buy new coins from that amount of money. For the next step, we will click on buy now. Once you have done that, the coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. And hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!